Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if DeepSeek says that the server is busy and cannot generate the response. So you can see here that I've made a prompt and it said after a few minutes of loading it said that the server is busy and it asks me to try again later. So you can try again right now by clicking on the regenerate button, and sometimes it'll work, but from what I've noticed it's not as often. So it's like 20% chance that it may work. So let's just click on that and wait. But if this still doesn't work for you, then you can also hover on the prompt and click on this button to copy it quickly, then create a new chat, and in the new chat you can just click on Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right click and click on paste, then send it in a new chat. Then it may help you and it may actually work. If it still doesn't, then unfortunately you will need to wait until the server gets less busy, because since DeepSeek was just launched, there is a lot of traffic on the website and lots of people try to generate the responses, so it may sometimes not work, but I hope it will be sorted in a few days. So let's see, you can see it is generating both the responses. So I'll just wait, and if it doesn't work then you can try regenerating them or just waiting until it actually works. You can also see that I have a chat here and I've made a prompt. Then you can see I have two responses, so I have regenerated it because the first one was that the server is busy. Then I immediately just press on regenerate and it worked, but there's not a big chance of it working. So you can see in the 7th regenerating trial it said again that the server is busy, and here we'll also wait for a moment. And also I've tried it on a different account on a different laptop and it also didn't work. So it's just the server's problem. You can see also here it is busy. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.